In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Bolt.new and Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to access a project in the Bolt AI Builder, download it to your computer, and open it properly in Visual Studio Code so you can start working right away. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Bolt.new. This is the Bolt AI Builder homepage where your AI projects live. Give the page a moment to load and make sure you're on the correct workspace or account so you can see the projects you expect to work with. Next, choose the project you want to work on. Take a second to confirm you've selected the right one by checking the title and any recent updates. If you maintain multiple versions, it helps to pick the most up-to-date or stable version to avoid confusion later. Once the project is open in Bolt, look for the download option and click it. Your browser will begin downloading the project as a compressed file, usually a zip. Watch for the download indicator and save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated projects folder. When the download completes, extract or unzip the file. Most operating systems let you do this by double-clicking the zip and dragging the folder out, or by using the built-in extract option. You'll want the unzipped folder handy for the next step. Now open Visual Studio Code. If you already have it running, you can proceed from your current window. Otherwise, launch it from your Applications or Start menu. In the menu bar at the top of VSCode, click File. This opens a list of actions you can take with your workspace. From that File menu, choose Open Folder. This option tells VS Code to treat an entire directory as your project, which ensures that files, subfolders, and configuration are all recognized correctly. A system dialog will appear so you can navigate to the right place. Locate the folder you extracted from the Bolt download. Select the project's top-level folder, the one that contains all your files and subfolders, and confirm to open it. VS Code may prompt you to trust the authors of the files. Go ahead and allow it if you recognize the source, as this enables features like debugging, tasks, and extensions. After a moment, you should see the project populate in the Explorer panel on the left. From here, you can browse the code, open the README for setup notes, and get ready to run or customize the project according to your needs. That's it.